You know, I can remember coming to Bandera as a kid. My dad loved Bandera, and we always had property up here in Bandera. And man, we would go to the river, and we'd go to the lakes, we'd go fishing, and just such a great time of my childhood and growing up. And I think that's one of the things that drew me to Bandera. Hi folks, I'm Steve Brentz, and welcome to beautiful Winans Creek Ranch here in Bandera, Texas. Come spend some time with me to see everything this gorgeous new ranch-style community has to offer for you and your family. With beautifully wooded 10 to 15 acre home sites, pasture land that is ideal for your animals, great wildlife, and spectacular 30-mile Texas hill country views, this property would be a perfect weekend getaway or full-time home. Winans Creek Ranch has all the conveniences you need and want: high-speed fiber internet, electric, paved and private roads, private wells, and low ag taxes. Plus, owners can enjoy our beautiful creekfront park right here on Winans Creek. Bandera is just one of the most beautiful places in the Texas Hill Country. This is just kind of the center of it all right here. All of the historic things that went on with the cattle trails that went through Bandera, and man, to have something available here 5 miles from Bandera and to be able to live here and enjoy all this beautiful part of the hill country has to offer is really rare. I live in one of our neighborhoods that's close to here that we did 15 years ago. So it's been 15 years. These just don't come available very often. So when they do, it's a great opportunity for folks to come out and really get to enjoy this part of the hill country, because it is really, truly unique. This can be you living in this right here. Your own 10 acres of just the beautiful hill country. Enjoy these views. Man, what a great place to raise your family. What a great place to retire. There's so many things to do within an hour of where we're standing right now. You got Fredericksburg, Comfort, Bernie, Kerrville, Garner Park's less than an hour from here. Los Maples Park's less than an hour from here. But you know, if you need to catch a plane, it's an hour to San Antonio International Airport. It's truly an amazing place to live. We've been helping our customers achieve their dream of land ownership for 50+ years, so you can enjoy peace of mind when purchasing with us. You're not going to feel rushed. We'll spend as much time as you need to find exactly what you want. And we never put time frames on our customers, so you can build now or build later whenever you're ready. Also, right now, there's excellent land financing available. It's never been easier or more affordable to own your own piece of the beautiful Texas Hill Country. Every day is a great day here at Winans Creek Ranch. Perfect place for you to call home. Call us today at 866-952-6323 or find us on the web at winanscreekranch.com.